Hello everyone, so welcome to this session where we'll use the cube box or auto box feature in X1 AI to help us generate a 3D model of a box. Okay, as you see here, so this box, we're going to follow some guides. Okay, so that's the front, and I click, and then you can see at the top left corner it gives me some instructions as to which angle or which face of the box um, to flip or to capture. So once it's inside this view, I'll capture it. Then you can see the green button or highlight there. Okay, so I need to capture this side, which is a good feature. At least it's giving us some directions as to the face to capture, just so everything is weaved at the end of the when it's trying to generate the or model the box. Okay, so yeah, so just make sure it's in the frame, and then you take picture, be still as much as possible, just so you get the desired results. So let me see, I think this should be the last phase, which is the bottom. Okay, so 6 phases, I'm going to accept it. Okay, then I'm going to give it a name. So I'll clear the name and then give it a name, I think cube test or something. So any name as desired. Then I'm going to give it a value. So since a cube, I'll give it values of the same for the various sites. Okay, then I'll click on submit. Once it's submitted, I'm going to have to wait for some time, and then let's see what happens. Okay, okay, so it's done, and then we are going to wait for it to load. Since everything is done in the cloud, we'll wait for it to load, and then once it's loaded, we can see our project or our model um, cube, okay, or box. Okay, so it might take a while depending on the internet, and then the, should I say, polygon or the number of faces, complexity. So this is the final project. We can rotate it, you can share your project, you can share it in the community, and then you can download the model by clicking on the down arrow or the download icon at the top right corner. Okay, then you download the model onto your device, and then you can upload it into any 3D editing software to continue from there. Okay, so this is our model. Yeah, it's been exported, and then I can use it in any software, 3D modeling software. Thank you.